All right, so basically, all right, this is my night routine. You know what I'm saying? This is my night routine. I really want to show you guys this because you guys need to know this, like especially when you're winding down and everything. You know, this is what I recommend to you, what you need to do. So what you're gonna need, really, the most important thing that you're gonna need is this. Let's see if it's gonna focus. And this is like a hair and scalp conditioner. This is gonna help you condition your hair. Like okay, I'll be real with y'all. Like as a black man, like if you're a black man watching this, look, you gotta condition your scalp. Like you gotta make sure your scalp is good, because if your scalp isn't good, your hair not gonna be good. So just make sure you have this. Make sure you have this. This is important. You gotta have olive oil. You gotta have olive oil. You wanna have olive oil. I'm telling you this right now. You need that. You just need it. You need it. Another thing too, what you wanna have is you wanna have this. If you have drier hair or if you have thicker hair, you wanna have this, the curling gel souffle. This is just gonna make sure your hair is shiny. If you're trying to get that extra shine, you just need to buy this. This is gonna make sure your hair is healthy. So at night, you just wanna make sure your hair is as healthy as possible because you're sleeping. You wanna make sure it's conditioned. And these two are gonna do the trick. These two are gonna do the trick. And last but not least, you know, you wanna hold the progress. This is just like a memory card, you know what I'm saying? If you wanna save the waves, you gotta have, you know, the go sporting waves. Boom. Do it again. Boom. Hold on. See, like that. How to go one. Go is the best hold. Come on, focus, bro. Focus, 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 focus. Focus. All right, so the gold is gonna have the best hold, bro. It's gonna have the best hold, I'm telling you. And then after that, I have like a hard and soft brush. This is just an Annie. Let me show you. This is soft brush. Is an Annie. I will be getting the Torino Pro Soft soon, but this is my Torino Pro right here. You already know Torino Pros go crazy. Torino Pros go crazy. So that's what you do. And then you grab a mirror and you just brush, man. You just really want to focus on the pattern. You know what I'm saying? You just want to focus on the pattern. Let me see if you can see me. You can see me. If you can see me, I gotta show you like this. Ooh, hold on. You know, where the camera at? So yeah. So you just want to do it like that. I think I can show you. Boom. You see that? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Focus. Boom. You see that? I'm pretty much going 360 just because I've been saving. I've been getting good progress, you know, good brushing. Good brushing, you know what I'm saying? And then boom. Hold on. Focus. Ooh. And you just go like that, man. You just go like that. But it just all comes down. It all comes down to consistency, man. You just gotta be consistent with it. You gotta stay moisturized, and you know, you gotta be smart with it. You wanna be as consistent as you can and keep up with it. And your wave's gonna come through. Your wave's gonna come there like bow, like boom in your face, like where, you know what I'm saying? It's just gonna be, your wave's gonna be like that, you know, boom. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's it.